Good afternoon, children. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, we have already finished about the walking tree lesson section 3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, in the last videos we saw section 3. Okay, so now we saw what are the benefits of planting a tree. What are the benefits? It gives us rains, it helps uh, the desert land to be a forest land like a greenery. It gives shades, shelter to many lives like human beings, birds, animals, etc. It gives us fruits. Yes or no? Yeah. So, and it starts moving. If we plant just one tree, one plant, if we plant, we see when it grows up, it keeps on walking. That means it gives birth to many other plants and trees. How does it happen? Because we can see that there are many kinds of living beings sitting on the tree, building their nest and sitting there. So when they sit there, of course they live their um, left over down, isn't it? அவங்க சாப்பிடும்போது அந்த வித்துகள் கொட்டையெல்லாம் என்ன செய்யும் கீழே விழுந்துரும். And at that time what happens when it rains again, the new life sprots out. புது ஜீவன் திரும்ப மழை பெய்யும்போது வெளியே வந்துடுது இல்லையா? So come on children, let's see what is the next part. We are going to turn our books to page number 117. Since we have finished the whole section, now we have to see the book back question and answers. So for that we have to open our books to page number 117. While writing in your books, it is better if you use your pencil. While writing in the book, it is better if you use your pencil. Okay children, let's start. Tick the most appropriate option. Okay, so you have to tick the correct answer. According to the author, the tendril was moving towards grandfather because, why did it move to the grandfather? Because it needed light and warmth, did not like the light and warmth, wanted to be near grandfather, or wanted to escape from the winter. So all these questions, the second one, grandmother had wanted the pimple tree cut down because she did not like trees. She wanted to grow flowers. It was an old tree. It was knocking down the bricks of the outhouse. The third one, grandfather helped grandma out with the gardening because he liked gardening, wanted to grow flowers to attract butterflies, wanted to beautify the garden, wanted to make the house green. The next, fourth one, the author did not want to plant saplings in the forest because no one would come to see him. It was dangerous to enter the forest. It would not be of any use to them. No one would appreciate them. The fifth one, grandfather felt planting trees would help the forest because he wanted to make the view beautiful. The river bed was dry. Animals and birds in the forest would love him. The animals and birds would find it easier to live. The sixth one, when the author returned from England to Dehradun, he found grandfather's dream had come true because the old house had changed, river was full, trees had red flowers, forest covered the island. So these are the questions and the given objectives that are the answers. For each question you have been given 4 answers which you have to select the right one. So this is your homework, and for this you have to read the whole lesson, find out the answers. Okay, if you have understood the lesson, if you would have listened the lesson properly, You, without reading also, you can write the correct answer, but if you didn't, you have to read the whole book and write down the correct answer. Now turn your books to page number 118. So now in page number 118 we can see that it's written over there, read the story on your own, discuss in a group and complete the story map below. So a story map is the main events of the story given in a follow chart. That means, can you see the chart over here? So this is called a story map, which helps you to know what exactly the story says. Okay, so come on, let's start. Grandfather built a bungalow. Okay, so grandfather built a bungalow, and what happened next, that you have to see. So you have to connect with, can you see the arrow going to the next one? During the rains, grandfather walked into the jungle. So this is all completely based on the story that we saw, okay, in this lesson. So grandfather built a bungalow and planted trees all around. What is the answer? Right there with a pencil. Planted trees all around. During the rains, grandfather walked into the jungle with saplings and planted it. With saplings and planted it. First one, planted trees all around. Second one, with saplings and planted it. Then see the arrow where it goes down. So they found a small rocky island and grandfather spent a day for planting sapling. And grandfather spent a day for planting sapling. See where the arrow goes. It goes towards the left. So now, during the Second World War, author was sent to boarding school. During the Second World War, author was sent to boarding school. Now the arrow comes down. So some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and island. Some years later, the author returned and visited the old house and island. Now the arrow goes to the next one. He looked around and noticed the rocky island. The rocky island was changed into a small green paradise. Was changed into a small green paradise. Children, don't say, ma'am, ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக போகிறாங்க எழுத முடியல. No, you have to learn to write fast. That is what you are. If you do that, then only you can write your exams in 10th standard and above classes. You must learn to write fast and neatly. So again, I repeat the answers. For the first one, it is planted trees all around. Planted trees all around. The second one is with saplings and planted it. With saplings and planted it. Then coming down, spent a day for planting saplings. Spent a day for planting sapling. The third one, which is towards the left side, author was sent to boarding school. Author was sent to boarding school. Then coming down, it is visited the old house and island. Visited the old house and island. Then coming towards the right, the last one, the rocky island was changed into a small green paradise. The rocky island was changed into a small green paradise. Now see, work in groups of 5. Tell the story in 10 sentences. Okay, so the next one is, okay, work in groups of 5. Tell the story in 10 sentences. So you can begin the story like this. That is, the author's grandfather served in the Indian Forest Service. After his retirement, he built dash Now, continue the story. Each one should say one sentence. So, each and every friend of yours must say some or the other sentences. And you must complete it. So, that is what you can do when you are in a group. Okay, now coming to the D, write a summary based on the story map. So you can write on your own 10 sentences on your own. You can write. Okay, so this is your homework. Write it in your homework note. C part. Write a summary based on the story map. So you have to write the story based on the map, summary map. So okay, so you have to write the brief story. You have to write a brief story on your own regarding the map. மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கு இல்லையா, grandfather built a bungalow and அந்த மாதிரி. So you just skip that one. C, you have to write it as your homework. Now this is language checkpoint. That means it tells you about the grammar, which is the correct grammar that we are to speak. What we are not supposed to use while speaking. ஓகே, எதெல்லாம் நம்ம பேசும்போது யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, எதெல்லாம் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது இது சொல்லுது. ஓகே, சி, டோன்ட் சே, தட் மீன்ஸ் தீஸ் ஆர் த நாட் கரெக்ட் கிராமர். சே, தீஸ் ஆர் த கரெக்ட் கிராமர். அண்ட் நோட், that tells you, that explains you why you use this and why you don't have. ஸோ இதை ரீட் பண்ணி நல்லா புரிஞ்சுடுங்க. Going to the next page, 119. Look at the words in the boxes. Match the words to make as many new words as possible. One is done for you. Example, outhouse. Okay, so the first one is out. Can you see in one column? You have to match it with the other column. So here it is out. The next column you can find their house. So outhouse. What is the next thing? River, bank. Now put number 2 next to river, next to bank. You will copy this in your classwork. Match the following and you will copy it. Okay ma? River, bank, water, fall, water, bed, river, bed and water, fall, river, bed and water, fall, flower, garden, flower, garden, sun, shine, aerial, root, busy, body, window, sill, foot, hill, compound, wall. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now going to the next one, the F1. Look at the words in the box. Make new words by adding ly wherever possible. It will not be possible with all the words. Okay, some words have been given to you in the box, so you have to add ly to it. Okay, but adding ly is not suitable for every word. எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ly ஆட் பண்ணால் அதாவது அது சென்சிபிளான வேர்டாக இருக்காது. ஸோ எது சென்சிபிளான வேர்ட் அப்படின்ட்டு நீங்கள் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு போடணும். ஸோ the first one is lone plus ly, lonely. Is it the correct word? If it is correct word, then write there LONELY, lonely. The second, blossom, blossomly. Is it correct word? No, blossomly is not a word, so that is wrong. Then fertile, fertilely. Is it correct word? No. Then next, vigorous, vigorously. Correct. Place, placely. Wrong. Constant, constantly. Correct. Complete, completely. Correct. Strong, strongly. Correct. Unlike, unlikely. Correct. Then great, greatly. Correct. Cross, crossly. Correct. Immediate, immediately. Correct. Broad, broadly. Correct. So the words which I said, it's correct. what you have to do in your classwork, you have to write this down. Lone, lonely, blossom. You will just leave the line. Fertile, don't write the answer. Vigorous, vigorously. Place, placely. Is it the correct word, placely? No. So you will not write answer for place. Just question எழுதிட்டு அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. Constant, constantly. புரியுதா? So this is how you have to write. Now, the words where we write some letters after some words like loan ப்ளஸ் எல்ஒய் இல்லையா, ஒரு வேர்டுக்கு பின்னால் எல்ஒய்யோ இதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு வேர்டு போட்டாச்சுன்னா அது என்னது ஆகுதுன்னா சஃபிக்ஸ். இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆஸ் அ சஃபிக்ஸ். அ லெட்டர் ஆர் லெட்டர்ஸ் added at the end of a word to make a different or a new form of the word is called suffix. சரிங்களா? ஒரு வேர்டு கூட வேறு ஏதாவது வார்த்தைகள் சேர்த்தா, லெட்டர்ஸ் எழுத்துக்களை சேர்த்தா, ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்ட எழுத்துக்கள் சேர்த்து ஒரு புது வேர்டை நம்ம உருவாக்குறோம் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன தான்? சஃபிக்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் இட்ஸ் நேம்? இட்ஸ் நேம் இஸ் சஃபிக்ஸ். Now that is what lonely, lone plus ly, lonely, it is suffix. Okay, do you understand now? Fine. Now G, look at the words in the box. Fill the wheel with their antonyms. What is antonyms? Opposites. Antonyms, opposites. So all the words begin with S and are from the text. So you have to write words from S and they are from the text. That means இந்த புக்லேருந்து இன்றைக்கி நம்ம படிச்சுள்ள ஸ்டோரி த வாக்கிங் ட்ரீ அந்த லெசனில் இருந்து தான் அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் எடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ஹார்ட். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ஆப்போசிட் ஆஃப் ஹார்ட்? சாஃப்ட். ஃபேட், ஸ்லிம். வீக், ஸ்ட்ராங். பிக், ஸ்மால். ஃபாஸ்ட், ஸ்லோ. ஹைட், ஷோ. Hide, we can write there show, isn't it? Show. Then rough, soft. Dull, dull. Shine, dull. Sharper, smart. Dull, shine, sharp, smart. இல்லை டல்க்கு பிரைட் வரும். ஸோ dull will be smart and sharp. So I repeat again. Hard, soft. Fat, slim. Weak, strong. Big, small. Fast, slow. Hide, seek or show. Seek or show. Rough, smooth. Rough, smooth. Soft, smooth, soft. Dull, smart, sharp. Smart, sharp. Okay? Okay, fine. Now turn your page. Come on to the next page. Turn your book to the next page. Now what is given there? Listen to your teacher and read out what happened to Nandu. Some of the statements given below are correct. Tick them. So we have to turn our books to page number 157, I think so. Let me check it out, children. Yes, page number 157. Come on, all of you turn your books to page number 157. You all know that we have, what do we have? We have listening text over there. So unit 2, Nandu and the lamb. One morning, as Nandu was walking to school, a big truck went past him. The truck went over a bump in the road and a box fell down. The box broke open. The truck kept going and was soon gone. Out of the broken box, there fell a small brass lamp. It looked just like the magic lamp that was drawn in Nandu's storybook. It was small and made of brass. It had a handle and a cover. Nandu wondered, if this was a magic lamp too. He decided to take it home and try it out. Where did you get it? Said his mother. It looks like a lamp. It fell off a truck. Is it a magic lamp? It looks just like the one in the book, said Nandu. As he wiped the lamp, Nandu noticed a small button on the side. When he pressed it, a bright blue light came on and lit the whole room. Okay. Now, turning the books to page number 120. Now, let us read the questions. You have to say whether it is right or wrong. That means true or false. That means it is true or false. Okay. Okay. So the truck went over a stone. True. So put a right mark. The box fell out of a truck. Put a right mark. The brass lamp was in the truck. Put a cross mark. Nandu wanted to play with the lamp. Put a right mark. It was like the lamp Nandu had at home. Put a wrong mark. Nandu pressed a button. Put a right mark. Okay, children, that's all for today. The next exercises we will see in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.